Hi GenStone, this is Nate from Maryland. Just passing along a video of my GenStone project and how it turned out. This is something I completed in November. It only took maybe about 15 hours. And the only thing other than the GenStone that it cost me was the mantle that I put up here, a couple 2x4s, a sheet of plywood, and a box of screws. So a relatively cheap project. I'm going to include some photos that are before and after this space. This was previously a recessed wall that just wasn't that attractive, but as you can see now, GenStone's made it look great.